Bye bye.
Chinese is so hard. I can't do that.
Alright, today let's learn how to say goodbye in Chinese. Alright, the most common goodbye is 再见.
再见.
Very good. And it literally means see again, like see you again. Okay? And another very commonly used one is bye bye.
Chinese is so hard. I can't do that one.
I know, we kind of stole that from English, right? So it's just exactly same as English, bye bye. And
bye bye.
Right, it doesn't really have the tones there either. Yeah, so that is a very casual one. And you can use it among friends and among families, but you probably wouldn't want to use it in a, like, I don't know, business meeting, something like that.
Okay.
You know? And another useful one is 回头见.
回头见.
Yes, so 回头 literally means, turn around your head. So it's kind of like, I'll see you, when I turn my head. See you later. 回头见.
回头见.
Very good. And next one, 明天见.
明天见.
Yes, so let me give you a hint. 明天 means tomorrow. So what does this mean?
See you tomorrow.
Very good. See you tomorrow. 明天见.
明天见.
Yeah. And next one is 再联系.
再联系.
联 second tone.
再联系.
Yes. 再联系 means keep in touch. Yeah, keep in touch. Okay. And next one, 失陪.
失陪.
Yes. So this one is a very formal one. To say, excuse me, I must leave, I have to leave. And you don't usually use this among very close friends or family. They will think you're trying to pretend to be too formal. But it is very useful in working environments, business meeting and all that. 失陪. 失陪. Very good. And that's for today. Thanks for watching.
再见.
Bye bye. Do you like our video? Did you learn anything fun?
Be sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest video updates, and be sure to leave your comments below. If you feel like you've learned something from this video, one of the best ways to practice is to go into the Mango course to form new sentences and new thoughts. Click the link on your screen to try it out.